My name is Rafael. I'm a welder for Plant 6 and I've been here for about a year and a half. The day in the life for me here is kind of like all around upstairs. Like I weld, try to produce, my hours and stuff, but basically I just get the parts from the material handlers and then I set them up on my desk, my table, figuring out what's the best order for everything to be in, so when I put the parts together it makes it easier to weld. But a lot of the parts we have fixtures for. We have clamps to clamp them down, make sure they stay still. Some parts we don't have fixtures for, so you gotta kind of do it manually and make sure everything's precise and not lopsided or uneven. They let you work your way up, they don't just keep you stuck in one spot. I was a material handler, they allowed me to move to welding. Our supervisor at the time, Jeremy, he was talking to me about caps and stuff, and he suggested that if I wanted to try to make more money, I should try to get into welding. I wanted to do something more than just material handling. And then ever since that, I just love to do it now. If somebody's new to welding, like I was, Carlos helped me out tremendously. He showed me a lot of the parts, taught me where to set your machine and stuff, and I learned a lot of stuff from him being a team player. And now, whenever there's somebody that needs to learn a part that I've done before, I go and show them now, and it's just, I feel like that's what our teamwork is up there. Everybody's pretty welcoming here, they're pretty nice people. That's probably the biggest thing I like about here is the people.